I'll give you $3.
No! You have to go all the way back to Publix and do it again. Alright,
come on. We're supposed to be rapping. You're supposed to rap with me!
What are you doing? Amani, seriously, calm down. You're like a freaking savage. Calm down. You're like a freaking savage. Your face. Oh. Where are you? I'm at the rap.
He wants the video after.
Yeah, they're eating food.
Tell him to call you back. Call you back.
Really? Vegetarian, really? I'm eating tofu right now. I'm eating tofu. Yeah, from Chinese food store. A Chinese place. Restaurant. Yeah, it's like down on like pineapple. It's awesome, dude. Awesome, dude!
Sandra, I'm ready to rap, man.
Hold on, Damien. You have to call me back in 2 minutes after rap. Alright? 2 minutes, okay? Okay. 2 minutes.
You gotta know. General style. You want my general style? I'm not to say you. I let you before I can take you. I know